have someone special with us. He's all about making healthy and tasty desserts. So let's welcome Chef Anandu. Hello Chef Anandu, welcome to our show.
Hello.
As I was talking about your tasty and healthy desserts, what you have got for us today?
As your show is all about healthy and tasty food, I have planned a tasty and healthy food as well. The dish I am going to prepare is spice and lime infused chocolate on a quinoa and maple tart.
Sounds interesting. Let's get started.
So let's start with our recipe. This is coconut cream, quinoa, brown rice flour, butter, maple syrup and roasted flax seeds. This is for the crust of the tart. This is dark chocolate, this is blend of 5 spice and this is lemon syrup.
What spices are there in this blend of 5 spice?
Basically there is star anise, cloves, black pepper, fennel seeds and cinnamon. So shall we start with the recipe and I will make the crust now. Okay? Yeah.
Is there any substitute for quinoa?
Yeah, we can also use millet for it. So now I'll put the tart for blind baking.
Okay, Chef, what is blind baking?
Blind baking is basically baking anything without any filling and producing a case out of it so that we can later on add the filling into it and refrigerate it or serve hot.